Have you ever wondered how ChatGPT actually learns to talk like a human? How can it answer almost any question, write essays, or even tell jokes, and still sound natural? Well, today we'll open the black box of ChatGPT and explain simply how AI models learn. No math, no code, just logic, examples, and a fun analogy. Think of ChatGPT as a student and the internet as its classroom. Imagine a student learning to write essays. They don't just memorize, they read thousands of examples. Notice how sentences are structured and learn what sounds right. That's exactly how ChatGPT learns. It reads billions of sentences from books, websites, and conversations and find patterns. When you type a question, it doesn't search the internet. Instead, it uses what it already learned to predict what comes next, one word at a time. ChatGPT was trained on a mix of public text, licensed data, and examples written by humans. It learns how humans speak, not what's true or false. So, when you ask, what's the capital of France? It doesn't know the answer. It just predicts that the most likely next words after capital of France is are Paris. In short, it's not remembering, it's recognizing patterns. After reading all that data, the model doesn't stop there. It gets feedback from real people. Humans rate its answers. This sounds natural, this is wrong, or this is helpful. The model then adjusts, like a student correcting mistakes after an exam. This process is called fine-tuning or reinforcement learning with human feedback. But in simple words, humans teach AI how to be more human. ChatGPT doesn't think, feel, or understand. It's incredibly good at predicting what looks right, but it doesn't know why. Still, that prediction power can write code, summarize research, create art, and even help us learn. The better the data, the better the model. So the future of AI depends on how we teach it and what we teach it. So next time you chat with ChatGPT, remember, you are not talking to a genius. You are talking to a very, very good student of language. If you enjoyed this simple breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my previous video, How Spotify Predicts Your Favorite Song.